Hey, bro, chill. What the fuck?
Bro,
bro, I will smack the fuck out you, bro. Come on.
Bro, what?
Bro, fuck out.
Open the door. Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
In the back with my niggas, all the same we might act up. Come with caution cause you know we all strapped up.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy imarthecreator, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And in today's video, as y'all can see by that title, I'm gonna be pranking the bro again, Pappiiq'S, aka Quan, you feel me? I'm gonna be pranking him, and I'm breathing fast, I'm hurrying. I'm trying to hurry up, you feel me? But you know what I'm saying? I just left it. He just dropped me out to get some. Maybe I don't know. He just pranked me, bro. So y'all go to his channel to watch that prank. It should be up by tomorrow. You feel me? But you feel me? He just pranked me, so I'm finna get him back. You feel me? As y'all can see by that title, y'all know what I'm finna do. But I'm finna hurry up and go cut he outside. You feel me? He waiting on me. So yeah, stay tuned.
Get the fuck out my car.
It's the Magic Market. Which one?
Get out, bro.
I need some. I don't know where to go.
It's the fucking gas station right here. Look,
The Magic Market, right?
Give me some Skittles. Give me some Skittles.
Alright. I ain't giving that nigga no motherfucking Skittle. Gas station. So I'm finna ask him, can he buy me some cigarettes? I'm not old enough.
You got nothing?
Excuse me. I'm recording video, right? So I'm trying to prank my brother. And you know, act like I'm smoking a cigarette in his new car, right? I don't ask you to buy it for me.
What's that?
A pack of cigarettes.
Pack of cigarettes? Yeah.
Yeah. On my card though, so.
Oh wow, you got no cash?
No. I got no cash.
I'm like, gonna have about me using your card. I don't want to use your card.
I mean, cool, you gonna do it real quick.
What's the card? So what kind of cigarettes?
No man.
Cheapest pack?
Yeah. He's buying it right now, feel me? Alright, appreciate it.
Alright, no problem.
And we out there, bitch. Just like that. Approaching the car on these fuck nigga, man. I forgot to get the tissue. Huh? And your Skittles.
That's your second bet.
My bad.
Vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
Yeah, took forever.
Fuck, nigga.
Shut your bitch ass up.
You lame man nigga just prank me and shit, bro.
Yeah, hey, let me see. Y'all fuck go watch the prank. I just got a lame man. I act like I deleted his channel and he went for it. He was crying and shit. It's on the way, video on the way. Go look at Pappiiq'S. I'm done.
Be cool, bro. Be cool. Some of my.
What damn.
He finna go in.
Yes. What the fuck you mean is he finna go in?
Shut up, bitch.
Duh.
I'm finna get his
Yo, don't forget to give me a soda. What you want?
These dumb ass nigga wanna go in the store. I'm finna get your ass, boy. It is the perfect time, you feel me? They gave me the perfect opportunity. Let me set up the camera real quick. I'm waiting for him to come out. And while he driving, you feel me? Just be like, feel me? He just gave me the idea. He was like, while he driving, just act like, you feel me, bro? I'm fully fucked, like, you feel me? I'm full, I'm done full. Let me smoke one real quick. And you know what I'm saying? He gonna be like, what the fuck? I'm gonna pull out this shit and I'm gonna start smoking it. So I'm gonna keep that bit rolling for when he come back. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Yo, this shit down, nigga. We back in this bit, man. Let me get the camera right. Let me get the camera right. You feel me? JT.
What you gonna title your blog?
Wait, I don't know. I'm tired of it, bro. I don't know. Shit. I'm gonna find something though. But you know what I'm saying? We're in the car. Something different today, you feel me? We ain't in the holiday time. We in the car vlogging. We out in the middle of nowhere, you feel me? Straight that road. Take out real quick.
Ooh, it's cold.
Take out real quick.
Huh? You said take off?
Yeah. Take off.
What time pass?
Yeah, take a left.
Good?
You David?
Oh,
Real quick.
Hey! Oh,
Camera ain't ready. Anytime on my body, yeah. What the hell your next video gonna be?
Huh?
Your next video, what the hell that be?
I just pranked you today.
Oh yeah, I'm tripping. Yeah.
I might do my little mukbang in the cartoon.
Yeah, that Maybe gonna go up. Maybe gonna go up.
For sure.
Hey man, y'all boy did not know, bro. I hit 3K subscribers. I ain't get monetized yet, but I'm in progress. You feel me? I'm in progress of getting monetized, bro. Shout out y'all boy. Shout out y'all.
Fucking gas station. Oh, that shit not open.
Shout out to all y'all boy, man. You know what I'm saying? Couldn't done this shit without y'all niggas watching my shit. You feel me?
The fuck is you doing?
What you mean?
Damn, bro. They gonna pull out and he gonna start going slow.
Nigga got road rage. No cap though. I'm fully fucked.
He's been going through the shit lately, man.
Show me on my body, yeah.
That shit weird driving when I'm using.
Yeah. No cap, bro. We just had some fucking beef patties. I'm done full, like. When I get full, I got it, goddamn, you feel me? I'm smoking my little bro.
Bitch, I'm on my body. Yeah. What the fuck is you doing, bro? Hey.
What you mean, nigga?
What the fuck you mean? What do I mean? What the fuck?
Hit it, bro.
Bro, hey. Hold on. I know damn.
Yeah, sir. Hit that bit.
But that shit stink, bro.
Hit that bit, hurry up.
I'm finna, man.
It ain't lit, nigga.
Yes, it is, nigga. Hold on.
Oh, I gotta relight that bit.
Bro, no. Watch out, bro. Cut out.
you mean,
Chill
bro?
out, bro. Chill out.
Man, you finna smoke, nigga. Chill out.
Nigga, when the fuck you even get cigarettes? When you start smoking?
Nigga, I been doing this shit. Let me get the buds out.
Bro, what the fuck is you doing, nigga? Hold on. Bro, hey, bro, chill. What the fuck?
Bro,
Fuck, y'all had chill.
bro, go get my shit, bro.
Nigga, fuck you, ain't
Go
that
get my
shit.
shit.
But y'all had
Get your ass out, go get my shit.
Get your ass up.
Man.
You got some more?
Nigga, what?
Don't
Nigga, I
do
been doing this shit, nigga.
Don't do that shit, man. I'm gonna beat your ass. Alright, we'll be walking. I'm gonna flip that bitch. Alright. Hold on.
Roll the windows.
Hey, bro, chill out. Where the fuck you even get a lighter?
Yes, sir.
Where you getting all this shit from? Let's chill. That shit stink. I'm gonna get canceled.
I'm coughing and shit. I ain't even hit the video.
But chill. You know what a fucking cigarette causes?
Nigga,
Cancer.
I don't give a fuck, nigga. I've been doing this shit since I was 12.
12. I think I'm playing, bro.
When he hit that bitch.
But watch out. Move, bro. Watch out.
When he hit that bitch, bro.
Watch out, bro.
Nigga hit a cigarette, though.
Hold on, bro.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
That nigga is playing.
Nigga.
But move that down. Give me the cigarette, bro. Give me the cigarette, bro.
Bro, don't give it to him, bro. No, bro.
Y'all niggas is playing.
Why did you?
Bro, get the go get it. Go get it.
You go get my shit.
Y'all gotta keep playing. Why are you playing so much?
Don't worry about it, bro. I just I'm going through this shit, man.
Alright, bro. What the fuck is you doing?
What you mean, nigga?
Bro.
Why the hell you stop?
Bro. Hey, bro, get the fuck
Bro,
out.
just a little smoke, bro.
It's a fucking cigarette, bro.
Don't worry about it, bro.
Get out, bro. Bro, what the fuck is you doing? What shit? Stop, nigga. Damn, that shit stinks.
Bro, go get my shit.
Move, bro.
Go get my shit, bro.
Don't do that shit.
When I run out of one, I get more.
Don't do that shit no more.
Feel me?
Bro. Bro, I will smack the fuck out you, bro.
Hit it, bro.
Hit it. Watch I beat your ass. Hit it. I'm gonna slap the fuck out you.
Yes, sir. Hit that bit to me.
I'm gonna beat your
I don't
ass.
smoke like that no more, twin.
Bro, come on, bro. What the fuck wrong with your ass?
Ah, niggas is playing,
Bro, go get my shit, bro.
Bro, fuck you and your cigarette, bitch.
Get my shit.
Yeah, go get it. Go
I
get
don't
it.
even smoke no more.
Go get it.
Shit, bro. Fuck around with me, man.
Come
I ain't close the shit, man.
I'm just playing.
Fuck around with your ass.
Nah,
Smoke
real
that
shit.
bit regardless.
Wow.
Stop moving, bro. Damn.
Alright.
Oh, shit, bro.
What the fuck?
Chill out, bro.
I already got goddamn
Chill out, bro.
scoliosis in it, dude.
That nigga keep having me pull over, bro. But get the
Bitch,
fuck
I'm
out.
on my body.
the
Yeah,
fuck
I'm so
out.
high in these motherfucker, but why he getting out? Why he getting out, bro? Oh shit. Where can I put this out at?
Get the fuck out.
Where can I put this out at?
Outside with you. Get the fuck out. Come on.
I should take off in your car. Watch out real quick.
Get out, nah. Watch out,
bro.
But get out.
Nigga, I'm throw it away, bro. I'm throw it away. Fuck, nigga.
Nigga, shit, cigarettes. That shit ain't no joke, nigga. That shit giving you cancer. And I ain't trying to have that shit smelling like that in my car. Bruh.
Trying to hit that bitch.
Bro, watch out, bro. This shit ain't no joke.
Bro, what you?
Stop. Chill.
Bro.
Relax. Relax. I need to keep.
One more, bro.
Smoke it. Smoke it. Bruh. Whoa, stop, bitch. Bro, get out, bro. Y'all gotta keep lining up cigarettes in my car. But
You're not taking it one.
But get the fuck out,
You're not taking it one, bro. Watch out, bro.
But get the fuck out, bro. Your ass is playing. Why the fuck you smoking cigarettes in my car? Get out.
You gotta get me out, bro. Watch out, bro.
But get the you see this nigga, bro?
Nigga is tweaking.
But that shit stank. What the fuck? Bro, get out, bro. Get out, bro.
Yeah, sir, hit that bitch.
Get out, bro.
One more time, one more.
But you can get the fuck out, bro. Get out, bro. Hey, all that fucking cigarette spray, bro. Get out, bro.
But stop spraying me, bitch.
That shit stink. Nigga, get the fuck out my car.
You gotta get me out, bro. I'm not getting out the car.
Bro.
Get me out of this bitch.
I don't want to beat your ass, bro.
You're not doing shit.
Bro, real shit. Get out, bro. Get out, bro. Get out, bro. Get out, bro. Get out, bro.
Get me out.
Get out, bro. Bro, that shit fucking stink, nigga. Get out, bro. Go. Get the fuck out,
nigga.
But go. But get the fuck out the car.
No.
I'm finna beat this nigga ass, bro. You better hope 12 don't come. They gonna lock me up for whooping your ass.
I don't know why the fuck you getting out the car like I'm just finna stop for real. Like.
Come on,
bro. What?
Bro, fuck out. Chill, bro. That ass is playing. Chill. Here. Take this shit.
You really gonna kick me out the car, bro? Huh? Huh? Open the door. Open the door, bro. Open the fucking door. What's wrong with you, man? Open the door. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. What the fuck? Where the fuck I'm gonna go now? Oh, let me call these niggas. Real quick. Damn, nigga just let me on the motherfucking side of the road and shit, bro. I ain't got nowhere to go. Let me call them coin. Damn. Bro, it was a prank, bro.
I know it's a fucking prank.
Nigga, it was a fucking prank. I'm saying, bro, just come back, bro. I don't even know where the hell I'm at.
I don't give a fuck. You guys better call it.
Bro, it's a prank, bro. Look, I'm recording.
Nigga, I know you're recording the fact you lit a cigarette in my car.
Nigga, it's a prank, though. Like, you feel me?
I heard.
Where the hell you at?
T5.
Come on, bro. Don't do me like that.
I gotta go. Fuck you. Well, I ain't doing a damn prank.
Nigga, you just pranked me earlier.
That don't mean nothing, bro.
I had to get your bitch ass back. I had you.
No, yeah.
You gonna come back, bro?
I like that shit in my car again, but facts.
I'm not, bro. Gotta get your...
You got me pulling in folks' driveway and shit.
You gonna walk in the middle of nowhere. I don't even know where the hell I'm at.
These folks looking out the window and shit, like, who the fuck is this nigga?
Nigga, I'm walking on the side of the road with a brown bag in my hand.
So dumb ass.
Hurry up, bro. I'm scared. Fuck, nigga. Damn. I kinda smell like this shit. But yeah, I just pranked his ass, man. I'm gonna get him when I get back in the car. Feel me? Pranked it, man. Yes, sir. Stop, nigga. That boy just spent the block for me. Finna walk up in the car like this. Come on! What the fuck? No! Nigga lame in here. I don't think I'm finna get in the car. What the fuck? This nigga lame as hell. Hurry up, bro. Straight, bro. Good.
You don't know how to talk.
Hmm.
That shit wasn't funny, bro.
Just got it, little bitch.
Your seatbelt on, bitch.
I just prank this bitch. What is you doing? Let me end my motherfucking video, ho.
Fuck, nigga, fuck your video.
Let me end my fucking video.
Fuck you.
Put the seatbelt on real quick.
Shut up, bitch.
Look, y'all, he mad.
But yo, I need to find some
Nigga car stank.
need to find some better pranks to do.
That boy car stank.
Yo, I always doing something to my shit. First my
Next time I
bed.
should break your motherfucking window.
First my bed, then my camera. No, first my camera, then my bed, now my car.
Mm-hmm.
I got something coming for you, man.
Cool.
For sure.
And then we got these lame man nigga laughing at me and shit like, you really a bitch.
Should've kicked this bitch ass out to the nigga, passed the nigga the cigarette.
He was in on the prank.
You a hoe. You was a hoe.
He was in on this shit like,
How the fuck you in on my birthday? Hey man.
hey man,
You a bitch ass
that
nigga.
boy cried at me. That boy cried.
That boy cried at me.
But hey man, at the end of this motherfucking prank, you feel me? I just got it little. That boy finna cry.
Shut your bitch ass up. That boy cried earlier. Y'all fuck go watch my prank. Pappiiq'S.
I did not cry.
P-A-P-P-I.
Yeah, man, that's the end of the prank, man. I'm gonna go ahead and end it be right here, you know what I'm saying?
05 Post Oak Grove.
Like I was saying.
Touch my fucking.
That's the end of the motherfucking prank, you feel me?
No privilege.
Make sure y'all boy like, comment, subscribe, turn and put notification bell if you're new. Yeah. Be imarthecreator.
Fuck you.
You know, man.
I don't care that you broke your elbow.